City's Mike Ethel reports from the Business Center. There could be a path toward an interest rate cut before we get into the summer.
The central bank is widely expected to hold its key interest rate at 5% for the sixth meeting in a row, but it also gives out its monetary policy report today, where it talks about the current state of the economy and what it thinks is going to happen next, and might set the stage for some interest rate relief at the meeting coming up in June. Central bank also wants to see what the federal budget has to look at for spending initiatives, as the discussion recently has been that government spending has added to some inflationary pressures. The federal government issues its budget next Tuesday. Even when the central bank does start to cut interest rates, economists and market watchers think that it's going to be a slow and steady decline, and interest rates not likely to test those record lows anytime soon. At the Business Center, I'm Mike Ethel. 680 News Time, 7:35. Nothing but double-digit temperature highs in the long-range forecast. So does that mean it's finally time to shed the winter tires if you haven't already? Or are you still thinking about the